sense, when man introduced, it says, and the earth was without form and void. But it continued and said, the Spirit of the Lord hovered upon the face of the deep, and he said, let there be light. And right from then till now, the light is still standing. So it simply says, without God, our lives, everything about us will be without form and void. But with God in charge, hovering over the situations of our life, not minding what we see, not minding what is around us, it is settled in Him. So if you know you have an assurance in the Lord, you know you have a God that covers you. If you have a prayer language, join me. But if you do not have, and just say, God, hover the Spirit. Let the Spirit, your breath, the breath of God hover over the situation, over my life. Bible says where 2 or 3 are gathered together, God is there. Let the heavens know that we are gathered. That situation that seems to threaten you or scare you, just look at it. You have a God behind you. Rabados Libilianatos Kapata Ramendos Etelibande, because we still sound a little bit too coordinated. Can we just press in? Rentelebedamanantos Kivakapaten Delevianatos Savada Rebetinda Levekatinda Batos Apapratos Ende Riana Nontelevekanda Bados Vayati Beativraba Retend Bakos Irian Diliana non Dibekos
Ruach HaKodesh, Ruach HaKodesh, breath and the Spirit of the Lord. Ruach HaKodesh, Ruach HaKodesh, please come and do all we do in vain. Ruach HaKodesh, Ruach HaKodesh, breath and the Spirit of the Lord. Ruach HaKodesh, Ruach HaKodesh, please come and do all we do in vain.
and Ruach HaKodesh, Ruach HaKodesh, red and the Spirit of the Lord. Ruach HaKodesh, Ruach HaKodesh, please come and do all we do in vain. In Ruach HaKodesh, Ruach HaKodesh, breath and the Spirit of the Lord. Ruach HaKodesh, Ruach HaKodesh,
Please come and do all we do in vain. Ayanama Ruach HaKodesh, Ruach HaKodesh, breath and the Spirit of the Lord. Ruach HaKodesh, Ruach HaKodesh, please come and do what we do in vain. Sing Ruach HaKodesh,
Ruach HaKodesh,
Ruach HaKodesh,
Ruach HaKodesh,
breath and the Spirit
Hakodes. Ruach Hakodes.
Breath of the Spirit. Please come and do all we do. Ruach
and just speak upon it. Rabatendo Siviana Makosa Ebelibidu Sivianti Bakosata Rabanda Betemenonti Bekosabadamana Repetende Betenda Mana over that situation. Rabata Bedebedebedebedebedebede Ebelibiatia Tiata Bata Rabebeto Sivikandiata Rabetena dosi viata bada. Apiane anote be adosa bada bada bada.